Okay, so this is a really stupid unboxing video, but I figure I'd put it on the internet just out of curiosity if I can get some clicks, because, you know, watching a box getting opened is exciting. Anyway, this is the Panasonic Lumix S5ii, which I pre-ordered, and we're going to see how it works, but here's the clickbait box opening video, because that's really what people want to do with their free time, is watch somebody open a box. All right, these are my air tags that aren't working, so I'm not going to really do much except for check things out. Okay, so here we go, and there. This is, I guess, probably a quick start guide and warranty information. They don't really put printed books in here anymore. All right, here is warnings. Let's get this out. Oh, got to unfold it. Bar. Here is the camera. It's sort of interesting to see it compared to the size of my GH4, whatever. Ooh, gotta push the button to, I guess. It's very tight. There is the giant full frame sensor, which will be a new thing for me. Feels boxier. Honestly, so far I think I like the way the GH4 feels better. Here, another strap that will never get used. A USB to C cable, may or may not get used. Oh, it does come actually with a power block and a battery. Let's see if it's actually charged or not, but my understanding is it does not come with a battery charger, so I've got to do this to charge it up. Okay, what is it doing? Oh, it's getting ready to install an update. I guess it's not going to work, or what's going on? It's still okay. All right, well, what happened is the Apple did an update right in the middle of it, but, you know, sorry to break away in the middle of this exciting opening a box video. And I got a little ahead of myself, so you have to forgive me. I already pulled out the kit lens and the hood that it came with, but I put them kind of partly back in the box so you could simulate the experience of watching me pull some plastic out of a cardboard box. Anyway, here's the kit lens. You do this and it goes out. It feels a little stiff. It's interesting. And autofocus, manual focus button. I'll put it over here with the camera and then the hood. Here it does not include a bag of any kind, it seems. It's fine with me. I've never, well, I take that back. I once kept some stuff in a bag, but then realized it was just an extra pain in the butt. So that's just a plastic thing to hold the camera in place. So really the only thing that has not been pulled out is the strap that I mentioned before. You know, put this down, and we'll do this. Here is the camera. Here's the kit lens. And on this one, I actually am going to have to pull out this. It's interesting in the back. They kind of box it in like that. I don't know what that does, except for make it harder to clean, I guess. But hey. Whew, it's a little stiff to click into place. Open the battery door. It's a little ambiguous on which way the battery goes in, but I think that's it. And that would be a success. And oh, that's interesting. That's not gotta push it closed. It doesn't just snap closed. So, all right then. And it has what looks like a little removable door, so you can put a dummy battery in there for AC use. But which is kind of funny. It's like, I guess don't really need that if you can power it over the USB here. Doors is full-size HDMI, the USB-C, and then 2 inputs for mic and headphones. There are no doors on the side, but go up with the remote control, and then 2 spots for a card. I can stick those in there just yet. We're going to see if the battery came with any kind of charge on it. Oh, and it's got all this good stuff where it's going to ask me to set all the language and all that. So I'll probably should get this thing plugged in so it doesn't run out of batteries right in the middle of doing this. So, all right. Cool. That was a super exciting video. It was a camera coming out of a box, and hopefully you clicked on it because this is what excites you.